Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Valentine's Day Skittles paper squishy. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out the design. Okay, so now that I'm done sketching out the design, now it's time to color. Okay, so now that I'm done coloring, I'm going to put another piece of paper behind it and hold it tight, and now I'm going to cut both of them out. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting out both of my pieces, I'm going to tape them together. So how I'm going to tape it is I'm going to put my tape on one of the pieces of paper. Now I'm going to line them up and fold it down like that. So I'm going to do this for the whole thing, but make sure you leave one side open so we can put our stuffing in. Now I'm done taping the sides, so now I'm going to put my stuffing in the side that I left open. Okay, so now that I'm done putting my stuffing in, I'm going to tape this side. So now that I've taped up the last side, we are done our Valentine's Day Skittles paper squishy. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!